Hello everybody, it's Steve here again from the UK Prepper's Guide. Now last year I was away attending the wilderness gatherings and I bumped into Chris from English Handmade Knives. Okay folks, so I'm here now at the wilderness gatherings and I'm here with Chris, who is, as you can see, surrounded by knives. And as usual you sniff about and see what he's got, and he showed me a little neck knife from Enzo, and so I got myself a few bits and pieces, some scales, some liners, some pins, etc., and a very nice purpose-made sheath for the knife, for the finished knife. And I've got a free bit of time this weekend, so I've decided to set about making it. Now I'm no expert on this subject, and I'm certainly no knife maker, but what I've got is limited equipment. It's all the tools you'd find in most sheds really, and I'm going to make a knife using them. I'm going to protect the blade and my pinkies, because the last thing I want is, these blades really comes really sharp. The last thing I want to do is cut my fingers off. So first thing to do then is I'm going to get myself 2 strips off of this this liner. There we are, and I want to transfer these holes that are in the handle through both set of scales and liners. Now the fact that that's like that, these will come out exactly the same when you put them around the knife. Using these 2 clamps, I've got it in the correct position and I can get my first hole in. glue's had overnight to set, so it should be well and truly cured by now. So that's the result. I've got some spare scales here overhanging the end of the knife. I'll cut that off, and I think I'll start shaping. Okay, so rough shaping is done. A bit more material to take off here, but I'll do that with a file because it's quite close to the blade. So the handle is all roughed out now, and I've got the basic shape. I've just got to put some contours into it, round it off a bit, maybe put some shape in this part, in the width, and see what it looks like. Now I've got the rough shape of the handle now. That's looking quite nice, and it feels quite nice in my hand, which obviously is the most important thing. So that's the handle smoothed down. I just want to see if it will fit in the sheath properly. I need it to be a snug fit, so let's going in there. The popper nearly fits, so by the time I take the protection off the blade, it should be just about right. So what I'll do now is I'll polish the handle up properly on the spindle drill. That's the result of the first pass with the grey polishing mop. Just taking the scratches out of the handle. That's the second level of polishing. So that's what the pink mop gives us. And now for the final polish. This is a very fine mop, so that when you put your knife against it, any contours, it'll go right into the shape of the knife. Right, well, all I've got to do now is give the knife a bit of a clean up. I'm using acetone to do it. That'll just take all the dirt and bits and pieces off of it. Now with these red liners and the handle scales being a mixture of a solid material and almost clear, you get that red shining through, which is very different and quite nice really. Well, thanks for watching folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. It just shows what you can do with limited tools, and I'm very pleased with this little knife. You'll probably see me using it in future videos, so we'll see how it gets on. But for now, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.